Very good morning to the lecturers and exhibitors. Today, our group gonna present techniques of differentiation. Alright, what is meant by differentiation? Differentiation is a value of the derivative of function with respect to x or rate of change y with respect to x. Allow me to explain briefly about some rules that are applied in differentiation. Product rule. Product rule is a formula to use to find the derivative of a function that is a product of two other functions. Alright, let's move to the question rule. Question rule is a calculus formula used to find the derivative of a function that is a question that or division of two other functions. Alright, let's move to the first question. The first question wants us to find the dy dx for the functions. The function shows us that is y equal to square root 2x minus 1 sine 3 minus x. How do we gonna solve it? First of all, we're gonna divide into two terms, which is u and the v. For the u, we can put square root 2x minus 1, and the v, we can put sine 3 minus x. And then, how are we gonna find the u prime and the v prime? That's easy because we're gonna use the chain rule so that we can find the answer for the u prime, which is 1 over square root 2x minus 1, and for the v prime, that is negative cos 3 minus x. And then we're gonna apply the product rule, which is square root 2x minus 1 multiplied by negative cos 3 minus x plus sine 3 plus minus x multiplied by 1 over square root 2x minus 1. Alright, let's move to the question B. The question B, we're gonna apply the same method, which is using the chain rule, which is resulted that u prime equals to 5 over 5x plus 1, and for the v prime, which is negative 2 sine 2x. And then we're gonna apply the product rule and question rule, which is resulted into cos 2x multiply 5 over 5x plus 1 minus n 5x plus 1 multiplied by negative 2 sine 2x over cos 2x square 2x. That is, we can simplify 5 cos 2x over 5x plus 1 plus 2 sine 2x in 5x plus 1 over cos to the power of 2x. That's all from me.
And 2 tan x negative y differentiate become 2 sec 2 x minus y multiply 1 minus y double, and then negative exponent x power 2 differentiate become negative 2x exponent x power 2, and then total all 2y ln 2y double ln 4x plus 2y over x plus 21x power 6 equal to 2 sec 2 x minus y 1 minus double multiply 1 minus y double negative 2x exponent x power 2, and then expand the right side. So 2 sec 2 x minus y minus 2y double sec 2 x minus y minus 2x exponent x power 2, and then move y to the left. So 2y log 2 double y ln for x plus 2 double y sec 2 x minus y equal to 2 sec 2 x minus y minus 2y over x 21x power 6 minus 2x exponent x power 2, and then factor out y double. So y double bracket 2 ln 4x plus 2 sec 2 x minus y close bracket equal to 2 sec 2 x minus y minus 2y over x minus 21x power 6 minus 2x exponent x power 2, and then final result or final answer is dy over dx equal to 2 sec 2 x minus 1 x minus y minus 2y over x minus 21x power 6 minus 2x exponent x power 2, and then over 21 over 2 ln 4x plus 2 sec 2 x minus y.
Hello, I am Ryan. I am now going to show you the calculation for question 3. For question 3, we have to use linear approximation to estimate the value of this equation in 3 decimal places. For step 1, we have to let x equals to 63.98, where fx equals to square x minus 4 over 3 square of 3 cube of x. We will then have to turn this into power so that it is easier for us to derive it, which is going to be x power by 1 over 2 minus 4x power by negative 1 over 3. Step 2, we have to find the numbers used to get x, which is x0, the original x minus by the change in x. Therefore, it will be 64 plus negative 0.02. In step 3, you have to derive the second equation, which will become x over 2 power by negative 1 over 2 plus 4x over 3 power by negative 4 over 3. We then simplify the equation, which in turn become 1 over 2 square x plus 4 over 3 cube of x power by 4. Then we have to sub the original x0, which is 64, into the first equation, the original equation, which will become square x64 minus 4 over cube of 64, which will become 8 minus 4 over 4, which is 1. Therefore, you will get the answer of 7. And then you have to also substitute the same number into the derived equation, which will become 1 over 2 square 64 plus 4 over 3 cube of 64 power by 4. The answer will be 1 over 16 plus 1 over 992, which we will get 13 over 192. In step 5, using this equation, we must sub we are able to get, using this equation, we sub in the answers from before, in which we will get 7 plus 13 over 192 multiplied by negative 0.02, and we will get 6.998645833. Turn this into 3 decimal and we will get 6.999. To make sure if this has approximately close to the first equation, we'll have to use a calculator and use the first equation to find the answer from the first equation, which is going to be 6.998645,714. If we turn this number into 3 decimal point, we would also get the same answer from step 5, which is 6.999. Thank you. That is all.